Hi, my name is Emma, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make pumpkin muffins. The ingredients that you'll be needing for this recipe are vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and it's going to be ground cinnamon, salt, baking soda, pumpkin puree, granulated sugar or cane sugar, brown sugar, eggs, and I'm going to be using egg replacer, but if you're going to be using actual eggs, then you're going to need 2 eggs. Plain yogurt, and the last ingredient is vanilla extract. The equipment that you'll need are cupcake liners, a cupcake tray, measuring spoons, measuring cups, a medium-sized mixing bowl, a large mixing bowl, a whisk, and a big metal spoon. The first step is going to be preheating the oven to 350 degrees and then lining your cupcake tin with cupcake liner. Step 2, you're going to be whisking together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 a teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 a teaspoon of baking soda. Now let's mix this all together. Next, you're going to mix into a large bowl 2 cups of pumpkin puree. If you're having a little bit of trouble getting it out, you could always use your metal spoon. Scrape it out of the can. I'm going to be using my metal spoon. Okay, then you're going to add in 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of cane sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 large eggs or egg replacer, a 1/4 cup of yogurt, plain yogurt, and then 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now, let's mix it. This is what it should look like when all the ingredients are mixed. Step 4 is pretty simple. You just need to fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Now let's mix that. Let's add in a little bit more. And now we can mix in that. Now, let's add a little bit more. And you can mix in that. Now let's add in the rest of the dry ingredients. And we can mix in that. When you're all done mixing, your batter should look something like this. For the next step, you're going to be filling up the cupcake tins with the muffin batter. This mix makes 12 big muffins and 36 mini muffins. Now let's put these in the oven. Now let's set the timer for 17 minutes and let these bake. When the muffins are done baking, let them cool for 10 minutes. Now it's time for my favorite step, eating the muffin. Okay, so I have this one here. That's really good. If you were wondering, this is the recipe that I was using, and I got this from the New York Times. Thank you so much for joining me today and making these delicious pumpkin muffins.